Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about the bump action trigger. The bump action trigger switch is identified by multiple nails on the trigger itself. This is intended for rapid nailing on flat, stationary surfaces. Now, the way that this works is the trigger is pulled first and the contact tip is repeatedly pushed against the work surface, which is going to drive multiple nails in sequence. So what I'm going to do is depress the trigger switch and bump my nailer along, and it's going to shoot out a nail each time I bump it. Now what I've done is set the depth so that the nail is going to stick out so it's a little bit easier for you to see.